How are you all? Fine? Okay, so children, from today we are going to start our second term, right? So, from chapter number 11 is your second term, okay? So, first of all, take out your grammar workbook. Have you opened it, children? Okay, so now take out page number 50. What is chapter? Chapter number 11, present, past and future. Here, children, we are going to learn about the tenses. First is present tense, past tense and future tense, okay? First of all, we will learn about what is simple present tense, okay? So, see in your book, tenses are forms of verbs that tells us when the actions took place. Now, tenses are the forms of verbs. Children, you know why the tenses are known as the forms of verbs? They are known as the forms of verbs because they tell us that which action took when it took the place. For example, you are watching TV, right? So, this is an action, you are watching TV, okay? So, the simple present tense, it tells us, it helps us to know that which action is taking place at what time, right children? Okay, so see on the next line. We know that the simple present tense tell us about actions taking place now or in the present. Now, what is the meaning of simple present tense? The actions which are taking place now. For example, I am teaching you and you are writing in your book. So, these actions are taking place just now, right? Okay, or in the present. The things which are going to happen now or in the present tense, that are known as simple present tense, right? See, we also use the present tense to talk about actions that are habits and to state things that are always true. The things which are our habits. For example, you get up in the morning, you take bath, you get ready, you come to school, teacher teaches you, you study in the school, you go home back, right? So these all are your habits and your routine work, right? So these all things you do daily in your life. Okay, so these all things are your habits and the things which are always true. जो चीजें हमेशा सच होती हैं. For example, sun is shining. Okay, the sun is always shining in the morning, right? So वो चीज सच है. Sun रोज उगता है, ठीक है? और वो ईस्ट में ही उगता है. कभी ऐसा नहीं होता कि वो वेस्ट से उगेगा, राइट? सो दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर वेरी ट्रू. सो वो रोज जो चीजें हमेशा सच होती है, वो चीजें जानने के लिए दैट हेल्प अस टू नो दैट द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. ओके चिल्ड्रन, क्लियर अप टिल हियर? नाउ सी एग्जांपल्स आर गिवन. Fish swim in the water. What a fish is doing? Swimming in the water, right? It swims in the water. The sun rises in the east. जैसे मैंने तुमको समझाया अभी, I have explained you that sun rises in the east. It always rises in the east. It never rises in the west, right? Okay. Now the bus comes every hour. बस हर एक घंटे के बाद आती है. Okay. Now see, the present participle of all verbs is formed by adding ing to the given word in examples given below. The words in bold and the present participles, right? The words which are in the present continuous tense, right? That in that word we will add ing after the verb. For example, here you have given a verb read. So if it is continuous. So what you will add here? Reading. Read plus ing. Here verb plus ing we will add. So what we will write here? Our answer will be reading, right children? So are you understanding? Okay. So now see, the athlete is sprinting towards the finish line, right? Athlete is continuing. Students are running, right? So sprinting towards the finish line. Okay. Now see next, they will be leaving for the airport soon. So they are going. It is a continuous action, so that's why they are leaving for the airport. Okay. Some dogs are running on the beach. Dogs क्या कर रहे थे? वो run कर रहे थे. Okay. जो action हो रही है, that is a continuous action. It is a simple present continuous, right? So here we will add here ing after the verb. Clear up till here, children? Okay, now see next. What does it tell us about said to be in the present continuous tense. For example, I am teaching you. ठीक है, मैं पहले से तुमको पढ़ा रही थी, थोड़ी देर पहले से, अभी भी हमारा लेक्चर चल रहा है, राइट? So you are still studying and I am still teaching you. Okay? So this are known as a present continuous. क्यों? Because वो एक्शन जो है, जो थोड़ी देर पहले चालू हुई थी, बट वो अभी तक कंटिन्यू है, राइट? So that is known as in the present continuous tense. We use am, is, are along with the present participle to indicate the present continuous tense. What we use am, is, are, right? We use am, is, are with the verb in the present continuous tense with present participle to indicate that a present continuous tense. Okay, see example now. The tailor is blank the clothes. What a tailor is doing? He is sewing the clothes, right? So what we will use is. Why is? Because here it is only tailor. So one tailor है, it is a, what it is, singular. So we will use here is, right? Next, the cadets blank carefully to the instructions. What they are doing? They are listening the instruction, right? So the cadets means there are many more cadets, right? So much cadets are there, that's why we will use here are. Understand? Now, I am tidying the room for the party. Okay, clear? Now see on the page number 15 we have given the fill in the blanks here, and for we have given verbs, so we have to put a simple present tense here. Okay? The teacher blank encourage the students to prepare well. We have given bracket here encourage, right? So what we will write in the simple present tense? The teacher encourages. Teacher students है उनको encourage कर रही है कि उनका जो competition है वो उसके लिए अच्छे से preparation करे, right? So teacher is encouraging. Okay? Now next, the place where the land meets the sky is called the horizon. Meet, हमको meet दिया हुआ है bracket में, right? So the place where the land meets in the sky is called horizon. जो place है जहाँ पे land sky land where the meets, where land जहाँ पे meet होता है, meets, वहाँ पे उस चीज को क्या बोलेंगे? Horizon. Okay, तो meet है तो क्या होगा? Meets. Why? Because it is simple present tense. Now third number is leaves absorb the light of the sun. What they do? Leaves are absorbing the lights of the sun, right? So leaves here means there are many leaves, right? So what we will write here? Absorb. Okay, 4 number is birds chirrup loudly on returning on the tree in the evening. जब शाम को birds अपने nest में आते हैं, what they do? They chirrup, right? So here many birds are there. So what we will write here again? Chirrup. Why on we will write here chirrup only, not chirrups? Because there are many birds, they are chirping. So we will write chirp. Okay? We decorate the house for Diwali. We decorates, right? Decorate दिया हुआ है, हम decorates लिखेंगे. Why? Because we are decorating our house for the Diwali celebration, right? Okay. Now 6 number, Rita teaches the grandchildren every day. Do you understand? Teach है तो उसका क्या होगा? Teaches. Why? Simple present tense. Okay. So next, I brush my teeth every morning and evening. तुम लोग रोज इवनिंग में और मॉर्निंग में अपना टीथ ब्रश करते हो, राइट? यस. सो यू आर ब्रशिंग योर टीथ. सो वो डेली एक्टिविटी हो रही है. सो हियर इट विल बी ब्रश. ओके. नाउ 8 नंबर इज समीर stutters when he is nervous. Okay. Now 9 number, all Muslims celebrate the festival of Eid, right? Muslims, here giving so many Muslims are there, right? So we will write only celebrate. She. Okay children, so clear up till 9 number. Okay, now see 10 number. She blanks abroad every year for a holiday. What she is doing? She is going every year abroad. Why? For her holidays, right? So what a bracket is given? Go. So what we will write here? Goes, right? Because here it is simple present tense. Now your 11 number is smoke blank can increase in air pollution. What we have given bracket? Cause. So smoke causes an increase in air pollution, right? So clear up till simple present